hours, 3 hours, depends on the quantity of the sewage or sludge you have to take it out for the disposal. You have to send to the sludge holding tank and then sludge drying. So
and this Maras pump will run continuously or this on demand basis?
Continuously. Yeah, continuously, and there is a ratio. That one is connected to the flow meters, and you have to take the reading from the inlet. It's based on the ratio. So, like it will be like 300 times of the inlet flow. You have to return back.
Yeah.
And if the inlet flow 100 cubic meter, you have to return 300 cubic meter. This is in the worst scenario. Sometimes 200. So this one depends on the operators. And later on, the end user, he has to know these things, parameters during the testing, how much he has to return. He has to return 200 or 100 or 300. That depends on the analysis of the sewage. Okay, so we'll come back to the next step. This is the SAS. So the SAS is sludge, which we have to take it out. It will go to the sludge holding tank. In the sludge holding tank, it's just like storage for the sludge. And we have also air bubbles inside to keep mixing of the sludge and to prevent the odor emission, because once you put the sludge in one area without movement, it will create H2S and odor. So this is the purpose. And this tanks also, by the way, we have also odor control system connected to all source of the odors, like tanker discharge station, lift station, like this sludge holding tank, balancing tank, all connected to the centralized odor control system. Okay, and this odor control will come back to this system again. So here, this is the sludge coming in that area. We have 2 pumps, the duty standby, like a transfer pump, or it's called like